Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my channel. Going to be doing a tutorial today on how to make this beautiful Gothic flower edging or border using a 3mm crochet hook, and this border is made of 5 rows. I know it looks complicated, but it is not. So stay tuned and let's get started. To start off with, we're just going to take our crochet hook and slip stitch into the corner. We are going to single crochet around the entire piece that you are hoping to make this border around. So I'm not going to go all the way around because I'm only doing this video for demonstration purposes. So I'll probably put in just a few more single crochets, and this is a row 1. So I'm going to start here. We shall chain 1 and turn our work around. Now let's look at row 2. The second row consists of triple crochets. So we're going to triple crochet into the 4th chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do another triple crochet. Now we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to slip stitch into the center there. So we should have a peak. We now need to make another peak on the other side. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Triple crochet again into that center space. Another triple crochet into that center space. And now we are going to slip stitch in the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right in here. So this is our first almost motif of flower, and we are going to carry on building on this in the next row. So we shall repeat this now all the way around your work. So I think I'll get about 2 more in this space. Triple crochet in the 4th chain. Another triple crochet. And now to get from here to here, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch in the center. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Triple crochet in the center. Another triple crochet. 4, count 4 chains down and slip stitch into it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what our work should be looking like. Triple crochet. Another triple crochet. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch in the center. Chain 5. 2 triple crochet in the center space. And slip stitch 4 chains down. That is row 2 complete. Let's look at making row 3. For row 3, we're going to turn our work around, and we're going to start with chaining 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and we're going to do triple crochets in the center spaces of these flowers. So 3 triple crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop a slip stitch at the end there. So that's what our work should be looking like. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 triple crochets in the center. 1, 2, 3. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 triple crochets in the center. 1, 2, 3. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slip stitch at the end. That is row 3 complete. Let's now work row 4. For row 4, we are going to turn our work around. We are going to place 5 single crochets in this 5 chain space here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch into the first triple crochet space. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch into the third triple crochet, like that. Single crochet 5 in this space again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to go on to the next petal or flower. So 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch into the first triple crochet space. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch into the third space there. 5 single crochets to go down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to get onto the next bit. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet. Slip stitch into the third triple crochet. Chain 5. Slip stitch into the third triple crochet and 5 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to finish round 4. That is round 4 complete, and your work should be looking something like this. Now, the last round, round 5, is quite a simple round, and it consists mainly of single crochets. So turn your work around, and what we're going to do is chain 1, and we're going to place single crochets in all of these spaces until we reach up here. So single crochets, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. Now you see in this space here, we're going to put 2 single crochets, 2, we're going to chain 3 and make a picot stitch. A picot stitch is just a single crochet and these 2 spaces here. Repeat the same thing the other way. So that was 2 single crochets and then single crochet all the way down the peak of the flower. And that is row 5. We're going to do the same thing on the remaining pieces. So single crochet all the way up towards the peak, and when you reach the center, pop 2 single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, 2 single crochet all the way down this peak. And now single crochet all the way up the next peak. And when you get to it, the center of it, 2 single crochets inside the peak, picot stitch, which is a single crochet, 2 single crochet, and then we're simply going to single crochet all the way down it, like this. And there we have it. I think it's a beautiful, really bold edging, and it would very much complements any piece of work that you may attach this to. I hope that this video is helpful for you. Please like, comment and subscribe. It does not cost you anything to subscribe, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.